Here's a weekly weather briefing for November 26, 2018 for the Arkansas region from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. The highlights for this week include cold weather early this week. Looks like it'll be pretty dry for most of the week, but then going into the weekend we're looking for the possibility of a severe weather and heavy rain event. We'll be discussing the status of the Brandon radar and the implications for monitoring for severe weather. So starting off with early this week, we've got cold high pressure building in over the area that promises to bring a couple of nights of freezing temperatures. In the graphic here on the left, you see the low temperatures expected for tonight, with readings getting well below freezing in the upper 20s to near 30. And then we're looking at the possibility of another freeze Tuesday night. The temperatures you see here, they may actually be a little bit colder than what's in this graphic. Possibility of another freeze exists for Tuesday night. So fast forwarding to the weekend, we're looking at a powerful storm system that is expected to approach. And right now, we do expect a threat for severe weather with this system and perhaps some heavy rainfall as well. In terms of severe weather, we have a graphic out right now for the slight risk for severe weather, including the possibility of damaging winds. It's possible that this threat area will expand as we get closer to the event and maybe even increase in level as well. The main concern for timing is from Friday night into Saturday. So continue to monitor this event as we get closer. Here's the latest information we have concerning the weather radar in Brandon, Mississippi. The radar continues to be down for repairs, and we still expect it to be back up by December 9th. Rest assured, we will be using other radars for severe weather coverage in the area, and warning services will not change any. Looking at the rainfall potential, you see the official forecast is for perhaps up to 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in the northwest portions of the area for this weekend. There could be locally heavier amounts than what you see here, and once again continue to monitor as we get closer to the event for the possibility of heavy rain as well. With all the rainfall we've had recently, drought is not a concern, and with additional rainfall coming up, we don't expect it will be a concern in the near future for the Arkansas region. And finally, the tropical weather season, the hurricane season, will be closing out here on November 30th, and it looks like it will be going out pretty quiet. Thank you for viewing the National Weather Service in Jackson's multimedia weather briefing. These briefings are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please call us at 601-936-2189, or feel free to get in touch with us via Facebook or Twitter. Have a great week.